Hey guys, this is a lifetime solution. So I'm here to represent the products of a West Pain. If unenkinga yeqolo lakho dala lokuphatha lingapholi, ngicela ungimamele because ngine solution for wena. So I'm going to represent 5 causes of West Pain. The first one is ulcer. Bakhona guys abane ulcer baphathwa iqolo. Bakhona guys abane ulcer iqolo lingabaphathi. So the second one, kidney stone. Kidney stone guys now ayenza ukuthi ube neqolo. Then the third one, isifo samathambo guys. Isifo samathambo guys nasenza ukuthi uhlala uphathwa iqolo. Then the fourth one, the overweight. Lokunona guys, lokunona iqolo lakho nalo liyaba buhlungu. Then the last one, ukuguga izinto ezisindayo, lifting up a heavy things, ukuguga izinto ezisindayo nabo kuyaphula iqolo lakho. So guys, the product lena isebenza kanjena guys. Uthatha ikomishi lakho, uthatha i-teaspoon, ukha half a teaspoon, umixe nalawo manzi lawo sekomishi lakho, then uyaphuza. Mongafuni njalo ke guys, uyawuthela esandleni sakho, then uyakhotha, then uphuza amanzi. So guys, le product lena isebenzela wonke umuntu. Laba ku treatment ngaphandle kwalaba abakhulelwa. Labo abakhulelwa le product lena ayibafuni, ayibasebenze, ayifuneki kubo guys. So ngiyabonga guys, ngicelani and i-research guys siyenzile i-research le product lena 100% good guys. So siyabonga guys, ngicela ni follow, ni like. Thank you guys. Now I'm a number, contact more we the product lena siyabonga. Thank you.